If you're in Ghana or know anything about this country, you know that we don't joke with our party and funeral jollof rice. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own version right in your homes. There's a catch, we'll be using steam to make this jollof rice. Yes, so don't go anywhere. So today's video is not about the jollof stew. So here I'm adding my jollof base into my saucepan. It's already done. So just the stew, the tomato stew you'd normally use to make your jollof rice. However you make it. I have other jollof rice recipes on the channel. You can check that out and then tweak the recipe to suit your taste. My jollof base is honestly cooked, right? But I'm going to leave this on fire to simmer a bit and then we'll proceed to the next stage. If this is your first time seeing my channel, hello, my name is Yasmi and this is Taste and Bloom My Kitchen. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. So the next step will be to add my washed rice. It's always advisable to wash your rice before adding it to your jollof base so you can reduce the amount of starch in the rice. It will help it become single grained, just like the party or funeral jollof you know. So I'll mix my base, my stew base with the rice. Make sure all the grains are well coated. And then I'll cover and then allow this to stew or steam, whatever you want to call it. So the trick is not to add water just yet. So this is on low heat and you have to keep checking on the rice maybe every 5 minutes. Then you stir. How you know that your rice is getting to the point it's supposed to get to is that you'd realize that the grains will start to single themselves out. You'll see that very soon. Let me take this pause to say a very big thank you to my amazing returning subscribers. To be honest with you, I can't do this YouTube journey without you guys. So thank you so much for the support. Please continue to watch initially, share, and comment under my videos once you're done watching. Thank you so much. So as you can see from the video, my rice is doing pretty well. At this moment, it's about 60% done. But when I go in for the last time, this will be about 70% done. As you can tell, the rice has begun to single themselves out, if you like, the grains, okay? At this point, you should have hot water on standby. So from the beginning of the recipe till now, we've used just steam to cook our jollof, okay? With the quantity of rice I'm making, I added just a little less than 1 cup of hot water. So you can see that even after I stirred the hot water in, it wasn't showing that there was water in it, right? Exactly. That is what we are looking for. We don't want the rice to be mushy. We don't want it to be too soft because, of course, we are mimicking the Ghana party or funeral jollof that we so love. So this is the last time I'm going in. My parchment paper helped me to trap the steam in there. I'll give it one last mix and then cover again and allow the cooking process to finish. So 2 tips you should take away from this video is that every time you're trying to achieve single grain jollof rice, please use hot water and never room temperature water. Also, make sure to cook the most part of your jollof rice with just steam and no water at all till you feel like, okay, every moisture in it is gone. So now you have to introduce hot water. So yes, those are the 2 tricks you should take away from this video. And now I added some coleslaw and some chicken and it was so good. Please try out this method of making jollof rice and I bet you would never go back. And until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.